I'm very grateful to all of you for helping. And I pray that Radharani and Krishna and Lord Chaitanya, my Sachi Sutta, will recognize you for helping me. Whatever little encouragement, whatever little assistance, but real helping means chanting as loud as possible in the kirtans. Not just sitting there looking pretty. You have to chant loudly and really cry out to Radharani and Krishna. In the mood of helping each other cry out for Radharani and Krishna. That's para upakara. And that's Brajbasi. Without para upakara, there's no Brajbasi. Brajbasi means para upakara, para dukkha dukhi.